Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Shopify store location. First, access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner. From there, select Store Details to find your current store's address information. This is the initial step to ensure you're in the right place to make these important updates. It's a straightforward process to begin your location change journey. Now, let's update the address itself. Within the Store Details section, locate the store address area. Click the Edit button to modify the existing address fields. Carefully input your new street address, city, state or province, and postal code. It's crucial to ensure all these fields are filled with 100% accuracy, as this information impacts your tax calculations and shipping rates significantly. Double-check everything before moving on. Changing your store's location has important implications for shipping and taxes. After updating your address, you'll need to review your existing shipping zones and rates to ensure they align with your new location. Additionally, update your tax settings to reflect the specific requirements of your new jurisdiction. Don't forget to consider how this change might affect any local pickup or delivery options you offer. These adjustments are vital for smooth operations and compliance. Finally, it's time to finalize and verify your changes. After making all necessary updates, remember to click the Save button to apply your new store location. Take a moment to verify that the updated address appears correctly within your store details. If you have a significant customer base, it's a good practice to communicate any major changes to them, especially regarding shipping or local services. This ensures a seamless transition for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.